Okay, we have our head here. We're going to drill our hole in here for our string, and we want to come up center in here. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch drill bit.
Yeah, and they were all strung together, and then she also used these reeds. There wasn't a dry eye in the place. No.
So that's pretty good. We're pretty well centered where we want to be on this here, so we're just going to open it up some. Got that pretty much where we want it. So then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.